Okay, David, we've got the bands completed, or just about there. There's a little couple of details. There's always a couple of details, but as you can see, here's the Hebrew band with Hebrew lettering on the top, and here's the decorative band on the bottom. And you can see how we have put this borders, these frames around them, to deal with the shredded edges. So let's take a look at it in a little more detail. So I want to focus on the top band first. Let's take a look at this. You can see how I've done this, and we were discussing making sure that there wasn't a lot of contrast between the new frame and the actual finish of the backgrounds. So and the original material, and that's what I've done here. You can see that's not completely smooth. It's got texture to it. It's got color to it. Let's go down here. This to the side. This was really beat up. And now what you can here, that's the edge that was a mess. You can see it's all cleaned up right there, or at least there, or around back here. There, that's the one that was more beat up. You can see that I filled it in like there and there. I put a backing across all of this so it's all stable. So here we are. Now I put this on temporarily right now because next step is to go and work with the applique section. So you see, here's our little screws that you, thank you very much, told me about, and I've used them to put this together. Really great suggestion. I appreciate that a lot. But it also enables me to very easily take that off, so I can get back to the business of my next step, which is working with these appliques.